As a well-dressed man, we frequently face a few challenges when getting ready for an occasion. These challenges can include tight neck collars, flared pockets, and more. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my Amazon style hacks to combat these annoying problems. Let's get started. Now, first style hack item on my list are collar dots. Collar dots are these little rounded adhesives that can be placed on practically anything. I like to use these as collar stays or place them at the tip of my collar to give me a nice clean collar roll. There are really no limitations when using these. I've used them for fixing pocket flare, temporarily replacing a button, keeping my pocket square in place, and fixing those awkward in-between button placements when wearing an open shirt. They leave no residue and are dry clean safe. Ever had to button up your collar and realize it's too tight while getting dressed last minute? No worries, this is where a collar extender comes in. All you have to do is wrap the band around the button and use a new button on the other side to close it up. These extenders have a ton of elasticity and will fit all neck sizes. You can also get the same extenders made for pants. Now I know you've experienced the flimsy collar. You know, the collar that just doesn't sit upright while the placket just, folds in when you throw on a sport coat. You know what I'm talking about? Well, this is where the $1 million collar comes in. It reinforces your placket to stay upright while allowing you to let loose a few buttons while keeping structure and symmetry on your dress shirt. They also sell their own shirts with their patented placket stay pre-installed. I own a few of these and can say the quality is great for the $60 price tag. The bamboo stretch cotton paired with the $1 million collar will make these your go-to dress shirt when a tie is not needed. The last style hack item I recommend are style cuffs. These make rolling up your cuffs much simpler and more comfortable. Let me show you. All you have to do is attach the closure to the existing button on your cuff and use the other button to close up your cuff. Fold once or twice and you have a perfectly rolled cuff that not only stays in place but also adds elasticity. So you can move it up as high as you want without cutting circulation or having to roll so many cuffs to get the height you want. Those are my Amazon style hacks. If you have any, please make sure to comment. I would definitely love to check them out. And also, please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.